What's up, my people? El Dun again. My bad. I'm about to say Dunya because I got me La Dunya here, you know, my wife. But I guess I found a hot spot today, Dunwoody and Hennepin. You know, seem like this is one of their favorite places. I guess I have to come here more often because now we have the one guy back out, the 1-8. He's back out here. Then we have a lady in this wheelchair. But see, we got.
I seen you.
Go this way. So we got a dude that just seen us that were waiting on us. That I'm about to go give him his food and stuff. So you know, it's all good. So it's all good. So got his food and stuff like that. He about to eat good. You know, he wanted a Whopper meal from Burger King, so we went and got him a Whopper meal from Burger King and stuff like that. So I guess they changed shifts and stuff like that, which I can understand. You know, changing shift kind of cold. So, you know, I work 7 to 3. He worked 3 to 8 or something. I don't know. But it's a good feeling. But we're about to go give them the food now. And I'm going to try to question them to see if they'll actually answer some questions. If they do, great. If they don't, hey, I'm happy they ate. You know, smelling their food kind of made me hungry too, so I'm about to go eat myself. So, I'll let you in a little bit.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air?
Something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes? Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Is it just me? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Is it just me? Is it just me? Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, baby? Do you feel the buzz?
Bye.